Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am coming on to do a close-up look at the Butterfly Dreams card kit by Heartfelt Creations. I decided I'm going to do another series, so I just wanted to share with you what the cards look like. Here's card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. In case you have never seen the card kits before, it says it includes all the pieces you need to make 3 cards, plus step-by-step instructions, extra pieces for the papers. It doesn't include extra die cuts. I do wish they would include some extra die cuts in case you maybe tear something, or sometimes they include flowers. It would be nice if they included extra flowers in case you tear a petal or something, but it would be nice. Just a heads up, if anyone from Heartfelt Creations is watching, that would be nice, because not everyone owns all the collections, and these kits are great if you just want to sample the collection. So I'm going to share with you what's inside the cards kits. So in this card right here, it has some beautiful die cuts, and I do own the collection, but I wanted to make some of the cards that they share on the blog or on their YouTube channel. So here's a die cut. This is a beautiful die cut. I love this butterfly, it's so pretty. And then here's a border piece. Then we have the sentiment that you're going to cut up and fit on the card somehow. And then there's a layering piece to go on the card. And then there's this piece that I believe goes inside the card. And then this beautiful border. I just love that. And then they've cut out the design for the card base. There are no envelopes, but if you have the plastic that everything came in, I guess you could use that as an envelope. But I may alter this a little bit and deviate from the instructions, because I think this should have some acetate behind it. Just my opinion, because this to me just needs something. So that's just what I'm thinking about doing when I do the tutorial. So just a heads up, if you're going to follow the series, I'm definitely going to include some acetate for this particular card. Okay, so that is the first card I'm going to share and what comes in that one. So I'm just trying to keep all the pieces together. Alright, there is also some glitter. They always usually include some beautiful glitter to add to your cards and make them so sparkly and pretty. Then here's the next card. This is a big card right here. Again, it comes in this big plastic, so I guess you can use this as an envelope for your card. This is the base. They have some sentiment stamped going across. So that's how it's designed. There's nothing on the inside. Here's the die cut for the card. This is a really interesting construction. There's a half of that particular die cut. It's going to be interesting how this is put together. There's this, and I believe this goes inside this one right here. So it's going to be constructed somehow. This comes from Camellia Carnation. So I guess you're going to color it somehow. There's no other flower to layer on top of that. So it's just green. And then they cut out this butterfly in this color, which I might change. I don't know. Since I own the collection, we'll see. I just have to kind of look at the card again on the front and see if I like that color butterfly. But we'll see. You can still follow along and make the card how you wish. The next card looks like this. They cut out the sentiment like this with one of their border basic dies. They have different borders that do different cuts, so you may want to own some of these if you have bought the collection. So this is how that looks. Here's another one of their die cuts. This one's really pretty. I did have the privilege of already playing with this set, and I chose a different color to color up my butterflies. I didn't cut them out in pink, so it will look, mine look a lot different. Here is a layering strip. I don't understand this card right here. I may change it up somewhat. Then there's a half a cut of a doily, and here's another doily. Then this piece right here, and then it's just a plain white card base. Again, it came in this plastic that you can use also as an envelope. Alright, so those are the 3 cards, and then I'll share with you the extra layering pieces that you get if you want to make additional cards. So you get this piece right here. It's just a paper, beautiful butterflies, a 6x6 piece, so you can make a 6x6 card or a mini album or something if you want. There's a lot of extra pieces. So there's 1, 2, this is the second piece, 3, so this is a 6x6 piece. So here's the 4th one, really pretty. And there's the 5th one, 6x6. So you get 4 6x6. Oh, here's a 6th one, 6x6. So 6 6x6 papers. And then you get this one. This looks to be like maybe 3x5. And then here's another one, really pretty for your card fronts. Here's another one, really pretty. So you get 2 duplicates of that. And then you get 2 of these. So this may be a 4x6 or something. I don't know. I didn't measure them. Then you get this gorgeous piece. And this is the way it looks on the back. Where you can either cut these 2 apart and have a label and this, or you could use this for the back, but you'll probably use this more than likely. Then you get 5 sentiments. Make a wish. Have a beautiful day. Especially for you, friendship in bloom. Have a how beautiful you are to me. Okay. Then you get this big layering piece. It's just solid, and then you can either use these 2 on the back. This is a 6x6, or you can do these, you know, strips. And then you get this beautiful piece right here, or you can use this on the back. This is a 6x6 piece, or you can use these layering pieces. So it's enough to make a pretty nice project that they give you that's left over from all the kit. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, you know, this is what's inside the kit after you've completed the 3 cards. Okay, so I hope you'll consider following along with the card kit series. I'll link in the description box below where you can purchase this kit, the store where you can find it. So take care, everyone. Have a fabulous day.